Hello and welcome, friends. Today I'm going to guide you about artifacts. These are the artifacts which you are seeing normally here, but if I go to shopping, you can see that people are selling these artifacts. There are many different type of designs of products that people make, and there's a value of this. So today in this video from Indian Institute of E-Commerce, I have this plug and play e-commerce export startup business opportunity for you, where I will be giving you the complete ready-made plug and play business, as it mentions here, of stone artifacts and products which can be exported from India. There are many suppliers, great artifact manufacturers. We can just list all these things into an e-commerce store and start making sales. It's a very simple process to do. As I'm saying, it's very simple. It's actually simple and it's highly profitable. You do not have to invest any amount of money in buying these products or keep these products with you, because the supplier already has these products, right? The supplier will have these products. We just have to list into an e-commerce store. For example, if you search about marble Taj Mahal, you can see that these products are already listed here. And this is beautiful, right? You can just have such products which are listed and people are already going to buy from marketplaces like Amazon. So same if you go to Etsy.com, you can search about marble temples. You can see 704 sales, and this is a crazy amount of 7,74,000 rupees. If you see this one, marble carving spare and 25,000 rupees, it looks like they're selling in the name of antiques or what. Like, these are the marble temples which are sold, and 5,200, 4.9 star rating. This is Etsy.com and 14,000 rupees. I'm not saying you to manufacture this. I'm saying there are manufacturers, they do not know how to sell. I'll be teaching you how we can do e-commerce business, how we can make profits. So same way, if you go to Lazada.com, you can see this is again a marble product which is made beautiful, right? So these products are sold on Singapore's website. These are sold in Japan's website, that is Rakuten. And now let's explore Dubai's website, noon.com. One thing is common, that these products are in demand, they're getting sold. So what is the business opportunity for you? I'll give you this ready-made plug-and-play e-commerce store builder with the product manufacturers whom you can contact and start making sales by listing them. And you can start selling these products in e-commerce marketplaces. Additionally, I'm also giving you e-commerce store, which will be your own e-commerce store. This is my e-commerce store. I'm just refreshing this so that you can see that this is the real statistics. And let me show you my analytics of the last 30 days. These are my sales in the last 30 days, and this is my lifetime of sales. So about $1 million, about 8 to 9 crore rupees is what I'm making in this. So if you want to get started today with an e-commerce business, I will recommend you to learn the e-commerce business from IIC, that's Indian Institute of Commerce, with the same exact strategy that I'm following. So here's this business program, which I'm giving 100% guaranteed e-commerce sales. And I'm giving you the database of buyers, suppliers, and also the plug-and-play e-commerce store builder and mentorship. So you can master the art of e-commerce, digital marketing, and online sales with this all-in-one program, Certified E-commerce Professional. So what I'm giving you is a bundle of every single thing integrated into this: the e-commerce store, the training support, the certifications, the recorded lectures, and the online practical live training over Zoom call with one-on-one support for lifetime access, lifetime update, lifetime of support from our mentors and guides, so that even if you are a student, working professional, or a job seeker, or an entrepreneur, this e-commerce skill is the must of today's time. Everyone have to go online. They have to run an e-commerce business. So Certified E-commerce Professional is an all-in-one program. This is the market's one of the best selling program, and every company prefers certified e-commerce professionals to hire. And as an entrepreneur, you must do this program, because this will actually transform your financial life. So I'm giving you all these things as a part of bundled program, with program created in partnership with Amazon, Alibaba, Tata Group. So the credibility is good, and this business opportunity that I'm talking about, where you will be getting everything from me. For example, you're going to get the supplier's contact, you're going to get the e-commerce store, digital marketing mentorship, the lead generation support, the network of buyers, the e-commerce course, the live sessions, the mentorship support, the networking support, and listing these products in marketplaces, so that you can make profits of a minimum of 40-50 lakh rupees per month. That's a potential you can do. You can make more also, but in the worst case scenario, 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs is easy to do per month on month basis in profits. So get started with this e-commerce business opportunity today, because I am confident that e-commerce is the profitable business, and this is the amount you're investing for your future, for your career, instead of investing money in somewhere where you can get about 8 to 10% profits. If you have a fixed deposit, assume that you're getting about 6 to 7% of annual profits in that. But the inflation is more than that 7%, right? But if you are investing this money into an e-commerce store and the mentorship that we are giving you, so with this plug and play ready-made business with your own brand, that will be your own startup, this amount that you're investing will actually give you the highest level of profits, because you will make at least crore rupee plus in this by learning the skills and selling these products online. Sales is very easy. I'll teach you how to do sales. I'll help you in doing the sales initially, so don't worry about the sales aspects. Now, you don't have to pay this 1 lakh rupee also to me in advance for this plug and play business opportunity. You can even go for the mentorship. But if you're going for this, I can give you one more assistance, that you can go for credit card based EMI. So this 1 lakh rupee can be divided in equal installments, and it will be just about less than 5,000 rupees per month. That's all. Get started with the business of e-commerce today and transform your financial life, become financially free, and you leave your job and become a full-time entrepreneur, because e-commerce is the future of the world, and export can give you the profits that you are imagining, and that will become real. So join me in this e-commerce revolution with IIC.